Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I just got this not even 5 minutes ago. And I wanted to go ahead and make a quick video on it. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright. Sorry, itchy. Let's see if there's any. No, I don't see any. Alright. No product information. That's okay because I've got my phone here ready to go. Alright. First, the annoying paper gets taken out. But I get why it's in there. Alright, so the first thing we'll pull out is by Wander Beauty. I know I got a product from them last month. Alright, and this one is, let's see. I'm waiting for it to load. This one is valued at $38. Alright, let's see here if I can find those. There we go. Alright, here's another pair I'll probably use. There we go. Yay for kid scissors. Alright, there we go. I could have sworn I heard something in the background. Alright. Let's see here. Here's what the shades look like. And it also has a little mirror to it. And the shades are Amalfi, Postiano, Capri, and Portofino. I think they said it was it's a face palette. Ooh, sweet. It's a limited edition palette. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna leave it out of the box. Screw it. Alright, so today, before I continue, gotta scroll all the way down. Okay. So, don't forget what I was going to say. One minute. Well, there we go. Alright, so the next thing I'm pulling out is, see, I'm waiting for it to load, is worth $30. And it is a full-size product. It's eye cream. Sorry if I'm a little shaky. And it is by First Aid Beauty. And it's supposed to help with, like, puffiness or something. Gently apply the entire orbital eye area in the AM and PM. So yeah, I guess it's like right around here. So yeah, like I said, this is worth $30. The palette's worth $38, so that is $68. And I paid $33 and some change for the whole box. So right off the bat, just these two products automatically worth it. Alright, and this next item I'm pulling out, pull up beauty. Let's see. Hold on. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. So this is the KLE, the travel spray. And this is what the box looks like. I had to unwrap it first because it was completely wrapped up in this. So I went ahead and got it off. It took me a hot minute to get it off. Zang! And this is valued at $29. This is what the bottle looks like. I was not expecting this big of a bottle. And it's 10 milliliters travel size. Ooh. Oh. Sorry, this smells good. Alright, and the next item is going to be by Lucky Chick, and it's their multi-stick up in Cheek and Lucky Life. Or is that stick or yeah, stick? And it's in the shade. Does that give me a shade? Or Lucky Life, I guess, is the shade. So this one, I'm assuming is also like a brush. Not brush, but blush. Alright, this is the whole stick right there. So I'm gonna assume, yeah, this goes on the lips and cheek. I'm gonna swatch this one. There we go, and it shows up perfectly. Alright, now put this all the way down, back down. Like I said, it's worth $20, and it's 8 grams full size. So everything in the box is full size. Except for maybe the perfume, that's travel size. Alright, and the last thing I'm pulling out is by Misho. Let me go ahead and whoop. Alright. Sorry, this is going to be like a quick video. Alright, this is by, like I said, this is by Misho Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow in Yama. And it is full size and valued at $21. Okay, let's see here. Again, I'm not going to be putting these back in the boxes. So, yeah. The box is worth $137, if I remember correctly. And this is their liquid eyeshadow. That's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Alright. Go ahead and open it up. My hands are clean. Okay. I'm having the bottle stand up because I don't want it to spill, any of it spill, if any will spill out. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go and put it back in. It looks kind of like a doe foot applicator. Alright, I'm just gonna... Alright, and... Okay, right here's what it looks like. Try to hold it up to the camera. So yeah, that's the whole box. I kind of had to, like, get it to where it would automatically take money out last month, so that I know we get this month's box, which I'm probably going to do that every month until I don't want the box anymore for a while. So yeah, that's the whole box. Oh, did I mention it's $21, 3.5 milliliters, full size. So yeah, and it's an eyeshadow. Yeah, I got a haircut a while back, like last month or month before last. So yeah, that's going to be it for now. If y'all want, I can do like a try on. I could get some, when I get paid, I can get some foundation. I think I have primers somewhere in my box, because I have like a little container full of makeup and skincare, which this box was more makeup heavy. So I think that's a good thing. Alright, so, oh wait, I didn't even... Okay, let's see here. Oh, be right back. Alright, I'm back. I had to, like, real quickly, like, clean up and get the, what was my hand off. Which I'm having... I have something propping up the phone that I'm using. Alright. Alright, here's the shades in, oh, well, not in order, starting from, try to, let's see here. Alright. Amalfi, Postiano, Capri, and Portofino. Alright, and I think that's going to be it for this video. So, bye y'all.